What's good, YouTube? Man, we back with another reaction video. We about to react to the Las Vegas Golden Knights and Colorado Avalanche. This game one. I think this probably gonna be the best series of the second round for real. But yeah, Golden Knights fans, make sure y'all tap in. Avalanche fans, make sure y'all tap in. Trying to get this channel to 3K subs, man, for real. Shit, I got the 2K subs, last Friday, so no, not last Friday. Well, I don't know, I forget whichever day it was. It was less than 2 weeks ago. But yeah, man, we about to get this channel to 3K subs, man, by next Friday. So make sure y'all tap in, subscribe. I drop all the donation links in the description box, you know what I'm saying? On my social media links and stuff like that. So make sure y'all check them out. But I ain't gonna talk your ears off, man. Let's get straight to it. Motherfucker been working.
Game one,
Let's get it. Colorado. I like Colorado jerseys, but they colors don't never match. I don't know why they color weight like that for real. But I've been seeing that logo in colors like since I was a kid. Oh yeah, so y'all got to turn me on to the Avalanche players. I got some ass fans in here too. Good shot. Yeah, man, I think these boys might end up taking this shit, bro. These boys looking out the gates. That's how they was looking against us, out the gates. Good save.
couple of good looks for Vegas here.
That was a good save. Good block, good save.
Marchessault looks like he's gonna get it, but the stick of Nichushkin. That puck was on edge. Tough to handle.
Who y'all got out of this series, man? I'm talking about neutral fans. Because of course Vegas gonna pick Vegas, and Colorado fans gonna pick Colorado, but I'm talking about neutral fans that's watching this. Who y'all got in this series? Again, number 25, and number 92. I'll be seeing him a lot too. I gotta get hip to him. Colorado Avalanche games look like they be crazy too for real. Anybody that ever been to an Avalanche game, man, how's the experience, man? Drop it in the comments. Good shot, bro. These motherfuckers electrifying, bro. No cap. They good, bro. This might be my pick to win it, to win the whole thing for real. I ain't gonna lie to you. 27 just smacked somebody against the wall. Facts. Yep, number 26 on my mama. I seen that. Another brawling hockey time. I'm gonna react to that too, cause I know Colorado was involved into that. Look, 27. Boom. That's tough, bro. That's tough.
Almost like he looked past there.
That's tough, bro. Yeah, like that's why I was asking my last reaction. Like, how do they feel it after the next day? They don't be having to get checked for concussions and shit like that. I know they got the helmets and shit, but still. Man, that's it. These motherfuckers, man, good as fuck. They doing the Golden Knights like this, bro. And the Golden Knights good as fuck. If the Avalanche just that good, they looking crazy right now. Sheesh. Real crazy right now. Ooh, okay, man, we got a little fight. Okay, we got a little fight.
The goaltender right before this all started.
Yeah, man, this shit crazy. This 6-1 Avalanche. Damn. So who would they have to play? Oh, they have to play the winner out of Boston. Okay, number 20 trying to get it in. Hey, man, they funny as fuck. No cap, they funny as fuck, bro.
Gotta start giving 10
Number
minutes
17, I do in the headlock.
to get control of this.
71. If they allowed to throw punches or they just allowed to like tussle. It's funny because the ref wasn't even paying them no attention. Nope, couldn't get it. Man, hockey, this for 11 foot, bro. And McKinnon, I don't even think I see McKinnon score.
If you're Vegas,
Man, they beat the fuck out of
and
him.
you forget about it and get ready for game 2. And if you're Colorado, you love the response here.
Man, they scary, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. Colorado is scary. Colorado's scary. Do Nathan McKinnon got a ring? Yeah, man. Nathan McKinnon, my favorite player, bro, in the league, out of the whole NHL. But man, Avalanche is fucking crazy. Man, bro, I don't know why. For real, I get the most excited to see the Avalanche play because I know they're gonna score. They're gonna put up goals, like, for sure. And there ain't no question about it. They're gonna put up goals. But yeah, man, I fuck with this sport, man. I'm getting more comfortable with it. I'm getting, you know what I'm saying, learning a lot more about the sport and shit like that. But I'm about to start getting into some player reactions and like certain classic moments and, you know what I'm saying, the best saves, you know what I'm saying, stuff like that. Cause I've been in it. I'm still gonna do the playoff reactions, but I'm gonna slide the little, you know what I'm saying, player saves, hits, you know what I'm saying, them type of reactions. I'm gonna start sliding them in there too. But yeah, make sure y'all tap in. Let's try to get the channel to 3K subs, man. Avalanche fans, make sure y'all tap in. Golden Knights fans, make sure y'all tap in. But y'all all the information in the description box, donation links, you know what I'm saying, where my social medias up. But yeah, man, y'all stay safe, stay tuned, and we out.